Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to log a WhatsApp chat with Fingerprint. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to log a WhatsApp conversation using Fingerprint. First of all, make sure your phone supports Fingerprint Unlock. Now you have to set your fingerprint on your phone. So go to your phone settings and tap on this search icon, and here simply type fingerprint, and here under security and privacy you will see fingerprint. Just tap on that. Now tap on fingerprints. Now you have to verify your phone pattern, and now just tap on add fingerprint to set up your fingerprint on your phone. Once you successfully set it, now go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app. Go to the conversation or chat that you want to log. Tap on the chat name, and here tap on chat log. Continue, and now confirm face or fingerprint to log. Scan your fingerprint. Just scan your finger, and once done, as you can see, the chat has been successfully logged. I'm going back from here, and as you can see right now I'm on my WhatsApp chat homepage, and currently as you can see the chat is not showing. Now to see all of your locked chat, just go to locked chat section, and now you have to verify your fingerprint, and then you will be able to see your all of locked chats. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.